shoulder swimmers on our hands and knees is an excellent progression of our shoulder swimmers that we can do in standing. In this position, we're simultaneously holding our body weight up on one arm, pushing our shoulder into the ground, while we move our opposite arm through our full range of motion of that shoulder into internal and external rotation. In order to perform it, we're going to start off in a good solid tabletop position. So my knees are going to be underneath my hips and my hands are going to be underneath my shoulders. I'm going to think about gently pushing my shoulder blades down into the ground to lock in a really good base position. From here, I'm going to think about keeping a nice long neck, nice long spine. I'm taking my working hand and I'm going to place it so that the back of my hand is in the small of my back as far as it can be. From here, I'm going to think about trying to keep everything the same except for my shoulder as I pull my hand away from my back and keep my elbow high. I'm going to straighten my arm, keep my arm as high as I can as I start to reach that arm overhead, bringing the back of my hand behind my head, and then slowly reversing, bringing my arm all the way back down to that starting position. This whole time, I'm fighting for increased space in between my hand and either my head or my back. And I'm trying to keep my shoulder and my elbow as high as I can the whole time. And all of that time as well, I'm trying to maintain that nice, strong, stable tabletop position that we established at the start. Once you've got the hang of doing that with just your body weight, so just the weight of your hand, you can progress to a really, really small weight. You're not going to need a whole bunch of resistance for this to make it challenging. For a lot of people, body weight's going to be just fine. Two common mistakes that people will make when they do this exercise is thinking about trying to use your spine instead of your shoulder. And so by that, I mean, you'll turn your shoulder up more towards the ceiling to make it seem like your arm's going higher, but that's not your shoulder working. That's just your middle back. And another one, when you're going up and overhead, a lot of times people are going to try to get their head out of the way by looking down, but same kind of thing. That's not shoulder movement. That's just you moving your neck down and out of the way. So we want to try to fight to keep that neck long and try to get that hand all the way up and overhead.